हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे HP TET प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जाम सीरीज फॉर चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी पार्ट 2. सो लेट्स बिगिन. A girl is born when dash chromosomes are paired. Number 1 XY, number 2 YY, number 3 BY, number 4 XX. Correct answer will be XX. Information processing model of memory was given by number 1 Nunn, number 2 Maslow, number 3 Driver, number 4 Atkinson Shiffrin. Correct answer will be Atkinson Shiffrin. If father refused to give try even after prolonged crying by the child, the result will be number 1 regression, number 2 generalization, number 3 extension, number 4 discrimination. Correct answer will be regression. Which of the following is the first step in the scientific method of problem solving? Number 1 verification of hypothesis, number 2 problem awareness, number 3 collection of relevant information, number 4 foundation of hypothesis. Correct answer will be problem awareness. According to Piaget, at which of the following stages does a child begin to think logically about abstract proposition? Number 1 formal operational stage, number 2 sensory motor stage, number 3 pre-operational stage, number 4 concrete operational stage. Correct answer will be formal operational stage. Which one of the following is an example of a fine motor skill? Number 1 running, number 2 writing, number 3 climbing, number 4 hopping. Correct answer will be writing. Homework is given to see for students' development for number 1 for development of writing skills, number 2 the student could study at home, number 3 to know that how much the student understand the lesson, number 4 for development of students. Correct answer will be for development of students. IQ of moron student lies between number 1 0 to 25, number 2 25 to 50, number 3 50 to 75, number 4 75 to 90. Correct answer will be 50 to 75. Which learning involves motor organs? Number 1 motor learning, number 2 sensory learning, number 3 verbal learning, number 4 sensory motor learning. Correct answer will be motor learning. Which type of test are Army Alpha and Army Beta? Number 1 individual test, number 2 group test, number 3 intelligent test, number 4 personality test. Correct answer will be group test. Chief aim of psychological experiment is number 1 confirm correlation, number 2 discover cause effect relationship, number 3 investigate past events, number 4 none of the above. Correct answer will be discover cause effect relationship. Development includes changes from number 1 infancy to adulthood, number 2 childhood to adulthood, number 3 birth to death, number 4 conception to death. Correct answer will be conception to death. Erickson's stages are characterized on the base of number 1 reasoning modes, number 2 defense mechanism, number 3 resolution of social conflict, number 4 biological needs. Correct answer will be resolution of social conflict. Ego operates on the basis of number 1 reality principle, number 2 identification, number 3 pleasure principle, number 4 morality. Correct answer will be reality principle. Morality on the base of existing social norm is during dash level of moral development. Number 1 conventional, number 2 pre-conventional, number 3 post-conventional, number 4 none of the above. Correct answer will be conventional. Dash is our working memory system. Number 1 cinematic memory, number 2 sensory register, number 3 short term memory, number 4 long term memory. Correct answer will be short term memory. Forgetting is not one caused by number 1 decay, number 2 disuse, number 3 interference, number 4 deprivation. Correct answer will be deprivation. Most suitable test to measure for 9-year intelligent child. Number 1 TAT, number 2 WAIS, number 3 WPPSI, number 4 WISC. Correct answer will be WIS. Child's tendency to respond to stimuli that are similar to conditioned stimulus is number 1 readiness, number 2 acquisition, number 3 discrimination, number 4 generalization. Correct answer will be generalization. Dash proposed 7 primarily mental abilities which are present in intelligence. Thurston, number 2 Guilford, number 3 Simon, number 4 Steinberg. Correct answer will be Thorstone. Raven's progressive matrix RPM is a dash intelligence test. Number 1 mixed, number 2 non-standardized, number 3 non-verbal, number 4 verbal. Correct answer will be non-verbal. Creativity primarily involves number 1 concrete convergent thinking, number 2 logic, number 3 divergent thinking, number 4 tradition. Con- right answer will be divergent thinking. Concrete operational stage lies between number 1 0 to 2 years, number 2 2 to 7 years, number 3 7 to 12 years, number 4 12 to 19 years. Correct answer will be 7 to 12 years. In an experiment, making the value of other variable 0 or constant is called dash. Number 1 control, number 2 objectivity, number 3 universality, number 4 none of the above. Correct answer will be control. Behaviorism was propounded by number 1 Piaget, number 2 Bentic, number 3 Fjord, number 4 Boston. Correct answer will be Watson. Dash is responsible for personality adjustment. Number 1, id. Number 2, ego. Number 3, superego. Number 4, unconscious. Correct answer will be ego. Development follows dash sequence. Number 1, cardinal proximal. Number 2, distal proximal. Number 3, cardinal cephalo. Number 4, proximal distal. Correct answer will be proximal distal. Statement showing relationship between variable is number 1, measurement. Number 2, objectivity. Number 3, hypothesis. Number 4, control. Correct answer will be hypothesis. Modifying incoming new information to fit into already existing mental category is called number 1, assimilation. Number 2, accommodation. Number 3, equilibrium. Number 4, conversion. Correct answer will be accommodation. Mainly socialization is a dash process. Number 1, biological. Number 2, maturation based. Number 3, learning. Number 4, none of these. Correct answer will be learning.